Once his grand stature made India proud, as he unified princely states into one nation. Today, his grand statue is making India's pride high, as it's the tallest monument in the world, a tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Statue of Unity attracts thousands of footfalls every day. Standing on the Isle of Sadhu Bait near Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat, this iconic 182 meters tall Statue of Unity makes an ideal destination for eco-tourism, as it offers not only picturesque view from the observation deck, but also have many attractions in its vicinity. Especially for nature lovers of every age group, standing true to its message, unity in diversity, the unification of the world's exquisite and diverse species, whether they are butterflies or cacti, flora, fauna, or forests are found here and are bound to amaze you. Joyful hues of hundreds of varieties of flowers spread across 600 acres in the Valley of Flower takes you to a life so fragrant, so beautiful. Adding to this experience of life are the butterflies. As you enter the butterfly garden adjacent to it, variety of those little winged beauties hovering over 50 species of larval host and nectar plants delight your sightseeing moment. For a never-seen-before experience, explore 250,000 plants, 190,000 species of cacti, and 160,000 species of succulents in 25 acres of cactus garden, an ecological and natural habitat. It is home to nearly 450 national and international species of cacti brought from 17 countries across the world. For nature enthusiasts, it is bewitching. However, further captivating your imagination are the forests of the world at Vishwavan, abode to herbs, shrubs and trees of all 7 continents and dwellers from remotest corners of the world. Vishwavan aptly epitomizes unity in biodiversity. Miniatures of the forest giants, that is bonsais, await you at Ekta Nursery, where you not only discover the fascinating floras, but also the art of making bamboo crafts, areca leaf utensils and organic pots, an apiary of honeybees, as well as Kadaknath, which is the rare chicken found in India, make you go overwhelmed with their uniqueness. Here the plant of unity makes a best souvenir of Statue of Unity, which you can gift to your loved ones. Don't miss out on the tribal delicacies, especially herbal teas. If you are an adventure seeker, Statue of Unity has places of interest for you too. Take a tour of eco-tourism at Zarwani, or simply go on a jungle safari. Welcome you to meet their wild members. Go on a jungle safari for a real adventure ride. From big wild cats, lions, tigers, leopards to giraffe, zebra, ostrich, wallaby and emu. The view of exotic birds at its aviary will mesmerize you to the core. Also, Zarwani is where you can do wall climbing, two-way zip lining and wall rappelling. The 5 kilometers of river rafting will give you an adrenaline rush, where whirlpools, rapids and turns add to your adventure. For mystical experience, you can do camping and hiking here, as Khalwani is surrounded by hillocks and Narmada waterfalls. Children get tasteful delight at the Nutrition Park. Its 7 stations starts from Ekta Junction, which take them through Phal Shak Gruham, Payo Nagri, Oshanpuram, Swasth Bharatam and Bhool Bhulaiya. Ekta Mall symbolizes unity in diversity, a hallmark of Indian culture. It signifies unity in handloom and handicrafts diversity at one place. Experience the joy of shopping in a mall spread over in an area of 35,000 square feet, covering 2 floors and 20 emporia. Uncover large variety of handicrafts, handloom fabrics, antiques and artifacts of India brought to the mall from different parts of India. Surround yourself with full of energy and good quality of life at Arogyavan, a garden spread across more than 17 acres, dedicated with wide range of medical plants and landscapes. Relax yourself with holistic healthcare based on Ayurveda, Siddha, Yoga and Panchkarma. For stunning experience and view, see the Statue of Unity when it shines the most. Amaze at the sparkling night with scenic lights, when every corner of Kevadia is heavenly lit up. More than a monument, Statue of Unity stands tall as a pride of India, with the only message to the world: unity in diversity. Your life's enthralling experience is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.